Peanut muffins. First, put 600 grams of sugar, either brown or white, whichever you prefer, into a clean bowl. Second, take 1 can of evaporated milk, any brand will do. Fresh milk is also fine, use 370 ml. Third, add 1/3 cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter is better. Next, add 3 medium-sized eggs. Just be careful when adding them, make sure none are spoiled. To be safe, crack them first into a clean container before adding. Next, add 1 cup of condensed milk. Condensed milk helps make our muffins moist. Next, add 1 cup of clean water. Ito naman ay peanut powder, mas pinipili ko na lang itong bilhin na agad. Iba kasi kapag nabili mo ng durog kumpara sa ikaw pa ang magdudurog. Kapag binili mo na itong pulbos, sigurado kang wala nang makikitang buo-buo pang mani. Samantala, kung ikaw pa ang magdudurog, dagdag na trabaho pa ito, lalo na kung marami kang ginagawa, at hindi mo talaga makakamit ang ganitong kapino at pantay-pantay na pagkakadurog nito. Ilagay ko na lang sa comment section kung saan ko ito nabili. Next, we add a little vinegar. I put vinegar in to activate the baking soda, it also balances the sweetness, and it helps prevent mold too. 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda. After adding the baking ingredients, mix everything until the sugar and other ingredients are fully dissolved. Make sure the sugar is dissolved well so it doesn't sink or settle at the bottom. Next, add 250 grams of margarine. It is better to use premium quality margarine. Now let's add the flour. You can use soft flour, all-purpose flour, or cake flour. This is pietrico glucose. I add this to keep the muffins moist. I also use it in cookies to give them a chewy texture. It's very affordable, and I'll put in the comment section where I bought it cheaper than elsewhere. After adding it, mix thoroughly until it is well combined into the batter. I ran out of chocolate chips, so I'll just use these chocolate sprinkles instead.
Sa kusina, may kwento, amoy harina at asukal. Di ka nag-iisa dito, katropa mo ko, tuloy